Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to the Azure DB using R. So first of all, install the R GUI, as I have done here, and run it. And then the first command to type in is this. Install.packages RODBC. That will bring up a secure CRAN mirrors list. Just pick a nearby one. Then when that installs, run this. Then when that's run, create the ODBC connection using the ODBC 32-bit tool in Windows. If you're not sure how to, go to the tutorial called Connect via Microsoft Access and ODBC. I'll show you how to do it there. And I create a ODBC connection called FactsAndDims. Once that's done, run this command. Create a connection called UAT-con, which will connect to the ODBC connection called FactsAndDims. And then this window will appear, and you can put in your Azure username and password. Let's do that now. And then to just make sure it's run, try running a SQL query. And there's the result. That's it. Thanks.